Hello students, I am Dr. Tanmay Vishwas. I welcome you all in my channel Chemistry, the Mystery of Molecules. So in this lecture, we are going to discuss a MCQ which is presented in front of you on the board. So as usual, I first request you please read the question carefully. Means this is the condition given. Question is what is the correct structure of the final product, and 4 options are provided in front of you, and one of them is the correct answer. So you have to do. Such kind of question could be useful for the exams like BSMS, CSIR, NET, IIT JAM, IIT JEE, NEET, etc. equivalent exams. Okay. So please, I request you pause the video and try by yourself because self-evaluation is essential for improvement. Please do it. I believe you have tried by yourself. Now it's my time to give you the answer. So as usual, I first explain you what is happening. So and explain the mechanism, and ultimately during the process you will get the right answer. And finally, I shall discuss within 30 seconds, less than 30 seconds, how can you solve such kind of problem in the exam hall. That is for the exam purpose. Now, so just look at the molecule. When you get something, look at the molecule. First of all, this is a benzene, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 carbon attached. This is actually acid chloride. This is a dimethyl amine derivative, and reagent given AlCl3 1.1 equivalent, and second step is workup. What is the product? First of all, acid chloride AlCl3, what happens? This acid chloride, if you take and plus AlCl3, what it result? It result in acylium cation formation. This plus AlCl4 minus. So this thing is called acylium cation. Okay, this acylium cation, you know, it's a sp2 carbocation because this center is sp2. So it's expected to be highly unstable, but actually it is not because of this canonical form. See, this oxygen has lone pair and it gives, and in this way it produces, and the formal positive charge goes on oxygen. But still the positive charge density on this carbon, because nucleophile attacks and it opens up, oxygen get neutralized. But in this case, this carbon is actually a 6 electron species. In this case, every atom in this molecule is octet. So that is the driving force for this canonical form. So from this study, what we understood? We understood that acylium cation will be formed. Okay. So fine, we understood. Now question is, if acylium cation is formed here, means let me draw the structure again. So this is NMe2. Student, always remember this nitrogen is also, this nitrogen atom also have a lone pair. Let me draw it little differently. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4 and this is 5. Why this drawing is important, just why I did. Whenever you get any kind of question, this extension, this thing, and there is a chance of cyclization, then this numbering is very essential, because numbering will give you idea what is the final ring number of the compound. Okay, otherwise you will do everything right, but it will ultimately end up in a mistake. So what is expected? So this double bond will attack here, and ultimately, so it will result in, this is NMe2, this. Now how many ring formation possible? This part have 5, there are 2, so total 7 member ring. So this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and see 5 position has 3 double bond though. So initially what will happen, that there will be, so in this case there will be positive charge and there is one hydrogen. So this hydrogen will be abstracted because aromaticity is the driving force. This hydrogen will be abstracted, it will go. So ultimately what it will result? So it will result the aromatic compound back. So this will result this compound 5. Okay, and this is pair. Now question, why reaction happened on here? Why here means cyclization happened on here? Logically, with respect to this, carbon, this is ortho both. Means 2 position possible. This is para with respect to this NMe2, and this is ortho with respect to this NMe2, and we know this NMe2 has plus R effect, and plus R effect increases reactivity for aromatic electrophilic substitution, or sometimes people write electrophilic aromatic substitution. Fine, this reaction is nothing but actually acylation. Okay, acyl chloride. So expected. Now question, why not ortho, why para? Remember, this ortho position, some minus I effect also work, point number 1, but in para position only plus R effect works, point 1. Second, these two Me2 have some static effect also. So that's why the reaction is all, generally the substitution prefers to occur in the para position. So this is the product. And why these workups are given? Why? See, during the reaction, what is produced? This AlCl4. And during this aromatic electric substitution, this bond is from carbon-carbon bond. But previously there was hydrogen. Where this gone? This is actually here. So what is in the reaction medium? Actually HCl plus AlCl3. And AlCl3 is also acidic. H3 is acidic. Reaction medium is acidic. So first of all, this reaction is quenched with dilute NaOH. And after that, see, if you quench this dilute NaOH, so this H means inorganic part will go to the water part, and this organic part, if you want to extract, then put ethyl acetate and water and separate, extract this. Second point, this HCl, not only AlCl3, it can protonate this amine and remain as an ammonium salt. So whenever you add this dilute alkali, it will quench this ammonium salt and ultimately result in amine, because we know in acidic medium amine prefer to remain in ammonium form, but in neutral, or better to say slightly alkaline medium, it is better, we can get the amine back. So in this way, get. Now second important question, why 1.1 equivalent? Actually, for this Friedel-Crafts acylation reaction, we need this AlCl3 catalytic amount, because it's regenerated. Fine. Then why we need this 1:1 equivalent? That is because in the reaction there is one NMe2, and there is a chance that this NMe2 can coordinate with the AlCl3. Okay, AlCl3 is a Lewis acid, it's a 6 electron species outermost valence shell, so nitrogen can donate and it can form 1:1 adapt. Then this 1 equivalent is consumed, so what is left? Left is 0.1 equivalent, and that is actually acting as a catalyst for this substitution. Second point, if this is adapt form, then it will not be that much effective for plus R effect, not possible, and this ortho position withdrawing effect will further increase, because nitrogen's lone pair is given to someone else, so nitrogen is now feeling little deficiency, so it will try to neutralize that by withdrawing from these bonds. Second thing, these AlCl3 adapt, this will create a bulkness around these two ortho position, means this ortho position. So consequently, nucleophile substitution is difficult here, both sterically and electronically, but here that is favored, so that's why reaction will happen at this side. So answer of our problem is this one. Okay, now question, if such kind of problem appears in your exam, less than 30 seconds, how can you solve such question? First of all, you have to check what they have asked. They have asked nothing but this Friedel-Crafts alkylation. Okay, so this Friedel-Crafts alkylation is asked in the problem. So AlCl3 given 1.1 equivalent, fine, excess. Now question where? So two options possible, either here or here. Now para position is always favored. Second chance, excess AlCl3 given means this nitrogen adapt formation thing they try to indicate. So, and how many ring formation will occur? There are 5 carbon. Now here it is 6. This is the 7 member ring formation will occur. And the most important thing, where the carbonyl will go? Carbonyl will go at this center. This much if you can predict, then final answer is gone. First of all, 7 member ring. This is gone. This is gone. Second, carbonyl is para to NMe2. This. So this is gone. Very easily, within less than 30 seconds, you can conclude the right answer, if you try logically. So this is the total discussion. So what we have learned today? We have learned today how aromatic electrophilic substitution, or better to say Friedel-Crafts acylation, occurs. Second, in presence of nucleophilic reagent like nitrogen center, we need excess of AlCl3 to carry out the final reaction. And another thing, this reaction proceeds through the acylium cation as an intermediate, which is resonance stabilized and acting as electrophile for this case. And finally, through this thing, ring closure, we can get the 7 member ring, and the message is that Another message is that by changing the ring number of this carbon in the substituent, you can prepare different kind of ring compounds. Okay, and intramolecular reaction is always favored over intermolecular one. So this is the end of this discussion. If you really enjoy my teaching, you have learned enough, then please help my channel to grow. Subscribe my channel Chemistry the Mystery of Molecule. Press the bell icon to get the notification of every single video I upload. Secondly, like the video, write your opinion in the comment box and share it with your friends. And the most important request for you, if you are capable, then please support my channel through Patreon, because without your support it's very difficult for me to upload such kind of videos on a regular basis. So thank you again. Stay happy, stay blessed. See you in my next video.